What's going on, Chevy Kings TV family? Look, I told y'all guys I was getting a custom drive shaft built, man. Well, look, here it is. I just pull up to Able Springs and Alignment in Baton Rouge, Louisiana on Segan Lane, man. Good people, good customer service, good prices. If y'all need a custom drive shaft for any of y'all vehicles, special projects, 18-wheel, it don't matter. They can handle it for you. So, look, I'm about to go up in here, get everything sorted out, man. I'll see you guys in a second, bro. All right, you guys, I'm back, man. As you seen in the intro, I had pulled up to Able Springs, man, to give me a custom drive shaft made for my truck. It ain't take them guys long neither, man. They knocked it out. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get no footage of the shop to show you guys the process of what they got to do, the tubing and everything to make the drive shaft. But they was real busy. But I just want to show y'all, man, what it looked like. Freshly painted, 1310 U-joints in the front and in the back, outside locks. Just a little quick tip when it come down to drive shafts, man. Your tubing matter when it come down to your application, like if you drag racing and everything like that. Your U-joints matter also. 1310 is basically what you see in a lot of stock applications. Even though my truck is not stock, my motor is not stock, and it's far from that. I'm not racing. I'm not going to be out here cutting up and doing nothing crazy. So I didn't convert it over to the 1350 U-joints, which is what you see in a lot of racing applications. You know, they can handle a lot more horsepower. And the tubing that they use, it matters also. I could be wrong, but they got 3 different types of like material. You see carbon, you see steel, which is what I have, and aluminum. Of course, carbon and aluminum is way lighter. But this and like when I talked to him, he was like, "What you gonna be doing with it? You racing? What's your top mile per hour?" No, he was like 150. I was like, "Nah, I ain't gonna be going like no 150 and up or nothing like that." So all that matter when it comes down to the tubing they use and stuff to design. To make your drive shaft for the application, whatever type of riding and driving you'll be doing. And it was a quick process, man. I brought my yoke in. They need that so they can balance it. We done a ticket. Good group of guys, man, at Able Springs and Alignment. I told you guys about where they're located in the intro. But enough with this, man. I think I done talked enough. Let's go put this thing on the truck. See you soon. All right, guys. Told y'all, man, I was about to put this thing up in here. Finally got it done, man. All bolted up, all ready to go. Able Springs did their thing. The only thing I had to change was my U-joint, man. The cap was too small on my center section cap size, so I had to go and find one to fit. So if you guys ever had that problem, it was a 31-3130. That was the U-joint I needed. Small outside lock caps on my drive shaft side and inside locks with the big caps on my center section side. So got that done. She all bolted up, bro. Finally. I don't know if y'all can see up under there, but you know. She ready. But I just want to give you guys a little, show you what was up. Oh, before I forget, I finally got that ride height adjusted how I wanted in the front too. You remember she was sitting low? So I got her up where I want her. She gonna be squatting in the back, so finally got her where I want her, man. But y'all tune in, bro. Got more videos coming soon. Holla.